it's not. No, this is the line of credit one. I don't want this piece of crap.
You want a joke? What joke do you want?
Is that done yet, that video?
I don't know. I can't think of one.
Yes.
I get nervous. No.
Jalapeno joke.
No, you guys already heard that one.
Yeah, but YouTube hasn't.
What joke do you want? Okay, I don't know. No, this is lame. I can't
Freezing
think of
up.
anything. What'd the fish say when he hit the wall?
Don't know what.